Hello, and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet Sonic in silver. Some of the features included in your new pre-owned Chevy Sonic are power door locks, automatic headlights, Bluetooth ready phone and media hands-free steering wheel controls, AM, FM, ONSTAR, AC, cloth interior, and enough space to comfortably seat 5 with room for storage. So don't miss out on your new pre-owned Chevy Sonic. Hurry into Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our product specialists today.